What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to locate or navigate your trash on Facebook. Normally when you delete something on Facebook, it goes to your trash and stays there for 30 days, then delete itself permanently. For example, let me delete this post I made this morning, move to trash. If you want to navigate where you can find your trash, I'm going to show you how to navigate that in this video. Now go to your profile and click on the three dots menu at the top right. Now go to activity log. Now click on trash. You're going to see all the things you have deleted on your Facebook. You can see right here 29 days left. Now you can choose to either restore or delete it permanently. So that's how you locate your trash on Facebook. That's all for this quick video. See you guys in the next one.